if you want to change theme on Samsung Galaxy A17, first of all, we need to go to Settings. There we go. Now we're going to scroll down a little bit, and you should be able to find the Themes option. Once we open it, you should be able to find various different themes over here. Some of them are paid and some of them are free. In order to look for free stuff, we can go, for example, to top over here, and then on the left side, we can switch from all to free, like this. And then we have only free content. So let's say I'm gonna choose perhaps something like this one over here. And then we can download the theme. And once it is downloaded, we can apply it. Wait a couple of seconds. And you should be able to have the new theme applied on your smartphone. And there we go. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.